Hello and welcome all. Everyone loves spy apps and the reason you are here signifies that. Today, the video will be all about spy apps which you can use in daily life. Don't misuse these apps but use for your own safety and for your knowledge. With that being said, let's get started. In total there are 4 apps. The first app is unique. With that, you can listen to a surrounding conversation or listen to the nature or to improve your general hearing by using earphones or headphones. The name of the app is Ear Agent. Now you might say we already listen everything, why do you need that app? What Ear Agent does is, it amplifies or increases the sound coming to your phone's microphone straight to your earphones. And other might think you are listening to music while actually you are not. You are listening to them. And to fine tune the incoming signal, you can use audio equalizer to tune into your surrounding environment and never use it without headphone, or headset. I cannot show you the live demo, but you give it a try and you'll understand everything. The next app will find out if there are any hidden cameras and different tiny hidden spy devices. The spy hidden camera or devices can be pretty much anywhere, such as behind walls, mirrors, teddy bears, books, or anywhere. So this app will be helpful for you to find out these devices, and the name of the app is rather long. It's Spy Hidden Camera Detector, Find Camera Finder Anti-Spy. The link to all the apps are in description. Only the radiation meter works because it uses magnetic sensors to detect any spy cams and detects the radiation which emits from the devices when it detects the radiation of such devices, and it will start beep sound and also increase the value of radiation meter. As for infrared camera, it requires dedicated hardware to do so. You cannot do that in ordinary smartphones. And they also provide information where other spy devices could be present. Just read it out once. The third app is Signal. By the name it seems like it boosts signal or something, but no, it does not do that. It is highly secured end-to-end encrypted messenger just like WhatsApp is. But it has a unique feature where you can send the messages to remain for some specific time, and after that the message gets deleted, as you watch in the movies, but without explosion. You can create groups, send private message, or even call. This app has got it all. The other person also need to have it installed for it to work. Say your friend. Both need to install this and enjoy the conversations privately. The fourth and the last app for today. With this app you can record video without anybody noticing you're recording anything, and the name of the app is Background Video Recorder. Background Video Recorder is a camera app which helps you record video in a background, as the name suggests, with the option to enable or disable camera shutter sound and camera previews. Useful functions are continuous recording when your screen is off and scheduled recording as well. So when your screen is off, it will still be recording the video, and scheduled video is so that you can schedule the video recording as per the specific time, and easy to use one-click video recorder shortcut widgets are also available, and support for multiple languages. The main feature that I like is recording video in the background while you can use your phone's other functions. The recording goes on and on. With that we come to an end. If you really like my video, please subscribe to my channel. I post variety of tech content that you'll like. Stay safe and see you in next video.